Have you ever noticed a change in your size or firmness during sex? You are not alone. As men age, these changes can feel frustrating, but the good news is, they do not have to be permanent. I am Dr. Laura Stone, and today, I am going to share some simple yet effective exercises that could help you regain control and confidence in your body. These exercises target one of the most important muscle groups you might not even know you have: your pelvic floor muscles. Pelvic health is often overlooked, but it is crucial not only for sexual performance but for your overall well-being. Your pelvic floor muscles play a vital role in bladder control, prostate health, and yes, maintaining erection quality. Let us explore how strengthening these muscles can help you feel stronger, more in control, and improve your sexual health. A common misconception among men is that changes in size or firmness during sex are simply inevitable with age, and there is nothing that can be done about it. It is easy to think this way when we start noticing differences, but that belief is a trap. Many men think that these changes are tied to a permanent loss of function, which simply is not true. The reality is, it is not about the size of your penis at all. It is about muscle control, blood flow, and overall pelvic health. As men age, there is no denying that our bodies go through changes. Blood flow to the pelvic area can become less efficient, and pelvic floor muscles naturally weaken over time. But here is the important part. These changes do not mean that you are destined for weaker erections or less control. By focusing on strengthening the right muscles, you can significantly improve your blood retention, restore firmness, and regain better control. And you can achieve all of this without relying on pills, surgeries, or invasive treatments. Now, I know many of you might be thinking, that sounds too good to be true, but it is not. It is the science behind the pelvic floor muscles, and it is supported by research. In fact, pelvic floor muscle training firmness has helped many men reverse some of the effects of aging, including improved erection quality, increased firmness, and better control. These exercises are simple, accessible, and effective. If you have ever felt frustrated or uncertain about what is happening with your body, rest assured you are not alone. Many men experience similar concerns, especially as they get older. But here is the good news. I am here to show you how something as simple as consistent training can lead to real, noticeable changes. It does not take much to start. Just a little bit of time each day can make a big difference in how you feel, both physically and emotionally. In a groundbreaking randomized controlled trial conducted by Dr. Gray Story, men with mild to moderate erectile dysfunction (ED) were monitored over a period of 6 months. After consistently practicing pelvic floor muscle training firmness, over 40% of participants saw a complete recovery in their erectile function. This was not just an improvement, it was a return to normal function. And here is the most striking part: this was all achieved without the need for medications, surgeries, or any kind of invasive procedure. Additionally, another 35% of the participants experienced significant improvements in firmness, control, and overall satisfaction during sex. That means more than 3/4 of the men in the study saw measurable improvements in their ability to maintain a firm erection, stay in control, and feel more satisfied, all through something as simple and accessible as pelvic floor exercises. The results are clear. firmness is not just a nice-to-have. It is a highly effective, evidence-backed approach to improving sexual health. And the best part, it is available to you without the risks and side effects that often accompany other treatments. You can take control of your pelvic health with exercises that target the root cause of the problem, the pelvic floor muscles. You might still be wondering, how can a simple exercise, like pelvic floor training, lead to such dramatic results? The answer lies in the way your body works. When you strengthen these key muscles, particularly the bulbocavernosus and isocavernosus muscles, you improve your body's ability to hold blood in the penis during arousal. This leads to firmer, longer-lasting erections. It is not magic. It is science, and it works. At the heart of what makes pelvic floor exercises so effective are two key muscles, the bulbocavernosus and the isocavernosus muscles. These muscles play a critical role in maintaining blood flow during arousal. When they are strong and well coordinated, they help trap blood in the penis, ensuring it stays firm and stable during an erection. Think of them as the muscles that lock blood in place, creating the firmness and stability many men seek. When these muscles weaken over time, blood tends to escape too early, leading to softer, less stable erections. Strengthening these muscles through pelvic floor exercises helps keep blood in the penis longer, which results in firmer, more sustainable erections. But it is not just about muscle strength alone. The real key, especially for men over 60, is neuromuscular control, the ability of your brain to quickly and efficiently activate the right muscles at the right time. As we age, this ability can decline, making it harder to maintain control during arousal or physical activity. With pelvic floor training, however, you can improve neuromuscular control. By repeatedly activating and releasing these muscles, you teach your brain to recruit the right muscles when needed, which enhances both the firmness of your erections and the stamina you have during intimacy. These muscles do not just help with erections, they are essential for so much more. They play a major role in bladder control, supporting prostate health, and even aiding in post-prostate surgery recovery. Strengthening the pelvic floor muscles reduces the risk of pelvic instability and urinary issues, which are common with age. So, when you invest in pelvic training, you are not just improving your sexual health, you are also supporting your overall well-being, giving you a more balanced, healthy body. Remember, these muscles are foundational for many aspects of your health, and by strengthening them, you are investing in both the longevity of your sexual health and your general physical stability. Pelvic floor exercises are incredibly simple to do, and the best part is, you do not need any fancy equipment or a gym membership. You can do them anywhere, anytime. The first step is to identify the muscles you will be training. A great way to find them is by trying to stop the flow of urine midstream. The muscles you use to do this are your pelvic floor muscles. Once you have identified them, you are ready to start training. Now that you have found the right muscles, let us break down the exercise routine. Start by contracting those muscles for about 3 to 5 seconds. You should feel a gentle lift or squeeze in your pelvic region. Then, fully relax and release the muscles for 5 seconds. Repeat this process for 2 to 3 sets of 10 repetitions daily. As you get more comfortable, you can increase the duration of the contraction to 10 seconds. This will further strengthen your muscles and help you build control over time. Consistency is the key here. I know it might seem like a small change, but the results you will notice over time can be significant. Think of it like building muscle in any other part of your body, whether it is your arms, legs, or core. Consistency is what leads to progress. These exercises are not about pushing yourself to your limits every day. It is about gradual improvement, and the more consistent you are, the more noticeable the benefits will be. If you stay committed, you will start feeling the difference. And just like with any exercise routine, the results will build up over time. It is all about staying consistent and giving your body the chance to adapt and improve. If this video helped clear up some confusion about pelvic floor exercises and how they can improve your health, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It is a small step, but it makes a huge difference in helping more men find credible, research-backed health information like this. Do not forget to share your experience in the comments below. Have you tried pelvic exercises before? What was your experience with them? I would love to hear your thoughts, and I am here to answer any questions you might have. Let us continue the conversation and support each other on this journey to better health and confidence.